Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditya Putra. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic in programming. The name is the basic concept of algorithm. Before diving into more complex, we are understanding the basic of algorithm is easily because algorithm from the foundation of every computer program we create. So let's get started. What is an algorithm? So what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a series of instructions or steps followed to solve a problem. Think about it. We use algorithm every day, even if we don't realize it. For example, make a cup of tea, pour water into a kettle, heat the water until it boils, place the tea in a cup, pour the boiling water into the cup, and add sugar or milk as desired. That is a simple algorithm for making a tea. This show the algorithm can be applied to many things, not just in a computer but also in everyday life. Key component of algorithms. So this is the key of component. Now let's take a look at the main component of algorithm. Basically, there are three main components to consider. The first one is input. What we feed into the algorithm, this is the initial data needed. Number two is a process. The step the algorithm takes to transform to input into something useful. And number three is output. The final result of the algorithm, this is the solution generated after processing the input. For the example, if we have algorithm to calculate the average of three numbers, the input will be there will be the three numbers the process. The process is running them up dividing by 3, and the output is the average value. Okay, next is a characteristic of algorithm. Of course, not all algorithms are the same. There are a few critical that make a good algorithm. Number one is accuracy. The algorithm should always give the concrete result when used. Number two is efficiency. The algorithm should solve the problem in an optimal way in the minimal time and using minimal resource. Number three is clarity. Each step in the algorithm should be easy to understand and follow. For instance, if we make algorithm that too compiled or has too many steps, it might not be efficient. For instance, if we make it okay, maybe just like that, we will go to the next slide. Next slide is type of algorithm. Algorithm come in many different types. Depending on the purpose, here are a few commonly used types. The first one is search algorithm. That is used to find a particular element in a set of data, for example, binary search. The number two is sorting algorithm. Is used to sort element in a specific order like bubble sort or quicksort. The number three is a pattern matching algorithm, used to find specific patterns in data such as a KMP algorithm for the next matching. Each type of algorithm has its own strengths and weakness depending on complexity and specific use case. Okay. The next is a case of study. Now let's take a look at a sample of applying an algorithm in simple case study. Let's say we want to design an algorithm to find large number among three numbers. The step might be the first we must input the three numbers A, B, C. And number two is compare A with B. If A is greater than B, compare A with C if true. A is the target number. And number four, if not, compare B with C to find the larger number between them. The output of algorithm is the largest number among A, B, and C. Next, this is the conclusion. Alright, we just reached the end of this video. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. An algorithm is a series of steps used to solve a problem and is a crucial part of any computer program. By understanding how algorithms work and how to design them, we can create more efficient and effective programs. Keep exploring and practicing your skill in design algorithm, because this is the foundation becoming a skilled programmer. Thank you so much for your watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.